Last year, Icahn announced a project to build a new neighborhood in Texas consisting of 100 houses printed on a 3D printer. It is expected that the cost of such housing will be about $450,000, the lion's share of which is the price of building material. And what if we tell you that you can literally print a house out of clay, which is everywhere, and it's free? At the same time, the cost of such a design will not exceed the price of the average iPhone configuration. Intrigued? Then, look further. 4 years ago, the company was by the architectural bureau Mario Cucanala Architect presented its design concept for the world's first clay house created using three-dimensional printing. And now the project known as Tekla has finally been implemented in Italy near the city of Ravenna. The house consists of 2 interconnected domed elements with a silver exterior wall, which is made of 350 layers of clay stacked on top of each other. This method of laying construction material not only provides the structure with the necessary strength, but also helps to create a thermal barrier between the interior and the street. But the most interesting thing is that a mixture of local clay, water, rice husk fibers and a binder, which is only 5% of the total mass of raw materials, was used as the main material for creating the house. According to the company's idea, such structures can be easily created anywhere else on the planet using materials common in a particular region. The created structure, with an area of 60 square meters and a height of just over 4 meters, consists of a living room, a kitchen, and a sleeping area. The house is also equipped with service rooms and a round skylight on the roof. The interior of the building has a similar organic aesthetic and furniture, also partially printed on a 3D printer. The construction of the building took only 200 hours, as the construction did not require an additional frame. It took about 2 more weeks for the clay to dry. The price of such a complex is about $900, which does not exceed the cost of the average iPhone configuration. Thanks to this, clay houses will be able to afford, including low-income segments of the population, for whom the housing issue is particularly acute. But the most interesting thing is that you can print such housing yourself. Recently, the same Italian company was announced the construction kit maker's Kanami starter kit. This will be one container absolutely necessary for printing with a 3D printer, photopolymer resins, a welding kit, a biogas electric generator, and even clay. According to forecasts, in 2030 there will be a sharp increase in demand for affordable housing from 4 billion people with an annual income of less than $3,000. Most of them will not be able to spend more than 10% of their revenue on their own home. That is why the construction of clay, the average cost of which does not exceed $1,000, will become particularly popular in the global real estate market. Do you think clay houses will become as popular as the developers predict? Or is the future behind concrete boxes? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There is still a lot of interesting things from the world of science and technology ahead of you.